All right, we're here looking at this application to sense clear objects with a fiber optic sensor using a reflector. The brains of this operation is this DF-G2 amplifier that I've got connected currently to just a very short stainless steel jacketed fiber optic. I could probably pick one of 10 different fiber optics that would work. We'll talk about which one is going to best fit you. But basically I've got a diffuse fiber optic looking at a reflector. I've tested it at both 4 and 6 inches. It works great for both. I've got it at 6 inches right now. The principle here is, of course, we're sending out the light, reflector's bringing it back, and we're looking for a disruption. Just to let you know what's up here, right now we're showing that our set point is 1866 ALUs, which for me that stands for arbitrary light units. 4,000 is what we're currently reading, which is basically maxed out. As I put the bottle in front of it, we're seeing 0 change. Same for our clear cup. I made one change from factory default, which instead of a 2-point teach, I made it a light set teach. What that means is it's going to look at the current amount of light that it's receiving and basically set a percentage, somewhere around 10%, that if it sees 10% less light or darker, we're going to switch on that. So I've made that change. The beauty is to teach it, I just line it up to my reflector, and I'll push the button. I've got it in adjustment mode. There's a dip switch up here that you can put it in either run, program, or adjust. I've got it in adjust. I'm just going to push the button and release it one time. It says 10%, light set, it passed. And now, look for a yellow light right here. In fact, there's my hand. You see the yellow light right here to let us know that we are sensing something. Of course, an opaque object is going to be sensed very, very well. Now I'm going to run the clear bottle through. You're seeing that our set point is 1783 ALUs. We're reading 1982 ALUs, and as we're dropping down to about 500. It'll vary some, but we're sensing it very reliably. I grabbed a very small, thin, clear plastic cup, and once again, we are sensing it very reliably. Since this is really just an overcharged diffuse sensor, I do want to avoid getting something extremely close that's very shiny to the fiber optic, so just make sure we're a little bit away from it and we'll get very reliable results. Yeah, here you can see it's flickering because I'm getting a very shiny object really close to it. But the further I get away, now we're seeing it very, very well. So I think we've got a good fit. We'll talk about length of the fiber, what kind of thread pattern makes sense for you, but A-OK, we're solid for this application. Thank you.